Miko wakes up in his leafy treehouse. He swings on a vine and giggles. He loves to play. He loves to jump and spin. Today he has many toys to bring down. Miko brings out his toys and snacks. He makes a big pile on the grass. Banana peels and blocks lie all around, messy and wobbly. Paco and Tilly look over with little frowns. Raindrops begin to fall. Plip, plop. The banana peels get slippery and sticky. Tilly slides a little and wobbles. Ella and Squeak look worried. Miko feels his tummy go tight. Ella says, "We can help you keep the jungle safe." Paco nods and Squeak smiles. Miko scratches his head. He feels small. He says, "I can try. I will try to help." Miko starts to pick up the mess. He puts toys in a basket and peels in a compost pile. His friends help. Everyone works together. Miko feels his heart get warm. The clearing looks bright and happy. The river sparkles and the grass is clear. All the animals clap and cheer for Miko. Miko smiles big. He feels proud. Miko shows his friends how to clean after play. He makes a small leaf sign for where to put trash. The others learn and copy him. They all try. Miko feels happy to teach. Everyone shares a small picnic on the clean grass. They laugh and play in a tidy jungle. Miko remembers to pick up his plate, always. The jungle feels happy for all the animals.